Assalamu alaikum friends. In this video you will learn how to convert the Instagram account from public to private. So let's begin the video. The process is very simple. Make sure that you are connected with your internet. Simply open your Instagram. So here you will go to your profile. Here at the top corner there are three horizontal lines. You will simply tap on three horizontal lines. Here you will tap on settings. At the third option there is privacy option. You will simply tap on privacy. So at the first there is private account. When you will tap on this, switch to private. It is a public account, so you need to tap on switch to private. Then you will switch to private. Your account will be private. So our account has been privated. So this is the process of converting your Instagram account public to private. So if you like the video, please subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Thank you.